Okay, next flower is, oh, I think this is trumpet flower because this flower is colored red, and as you see the green, the leaves shape was oval, and this flower so beautiful. And if I smell this, so so good. And as you see this, when I was children, I I always suck this flower from here like this, and it's so sweet. The taste was so sweet. Not a, it's not a trumpet flower actually. Trumpet flower was orange. It was hibiscus, I think. Or in Indonesia we call it shoe flower because it has only two genders. Sorry, not two but one. This is, I think this is the male flower because it has many strings, and this female flower maybe. If the female flower, it has like a crown here. And what up? Oh my, these flowers has cut has eaten by caterpillar because cracked the leaf was cracked here. You see, and here eaten by caterpillar. Still little flowers here. They'll be bloom instead of rain. And what else? Oh yeah, this flower was surrounded by, what's this? A bonsai maybe. This is bonsai and grasses. And what's this? Oh, maybe it's kind of, what's that? String bean, but it has the very very thick branches. It used when you didn't want to shower it off, water it. So this is very strong plant. And what else? Oh, this flower was branched by a plastic rope here. And oh, there's a lizard over there. So beautiful because this flower is still alive, and the lizard could do their camouflage here. A little bit down, kid. Come here. Come. Yeah. Okay. Now no one can see you. Okay, this is the outside term. So,